It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yahoo, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to recover permanently deleted photos in Android, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Android. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to recover permanently deleted photo. Very easy and quick tutorial using your Android phone. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store on Android. So right here, Play Store. Then on getting to your Play Store, click on Search App. Then type in Data Recovery. Click on Search. Then it's going to give you variety results. So the one you need to download is to click on here. So you can see I've already downloaded and installed this app. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after you have successfully installed and download the app, you can exit from your Play Store. Then from my phone screen right here, let's take a look at the app icon. So dumpster. So this is the app icon. So next thing I'm going to do is to just click on the app, then allow it to load up, then click on allow, then click on allow, then give the app some minutes to scan all the files. Just like what you see right here, the scanning is running in the background of the phone. So you can see the result right here. The number of photos that have been deleted so far on this phone is being counted and recovered. So you can see scan has been done successfully. So currently now we have about 13,000 plus video photo that have been deleted in the past on this particular Android phone. So if I scroll down, you begin to see all the photos. Then you can simply restore them at your own wish. So if I want to restore any of the image right here, what I need to do is to just tap on the image. Then just click on restore right here, and it will be saved back into your phone. You can also use this share icon to share the image on any platform. So let's see. So you can share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, you can share it on Facebook, and etc. So let's assist from here. So I'll just simply go back. So this app also does a wonderful job of recover video and audio right here. Now you can simply click on recycle bin right here. So you don't have anything in recycle bin. So you can come to the top right here, click on hub, and see some other thing this app can do. So this app can also be used to recover video, audio, documents, other files, folders, and apps, just like what you see right here. Now let's simply go back to settings icon right here. So under the settings icon, you can simply connect your cloud storage right here, such as Gmail. So if I click on here, then you will be asked to choose your cloud storage account, which is your Gmail account. So it's as simple as that. Okay, but if you don't want to link the cloud storage, maybe you don't have enough space in your Google Drive, you can simply assist from here and recover your video or your photo using this app, and you are going to be fine. This is basically a simple way to recover your photo on Android, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.